Ever wondered what it's like to lead a country? Enjoying the perks of riding in style with armed bodyguards? Traveling to foreign nations in the name of bettering your country? All while indulging in expensive wine and exquisite meals funded by the taxpayers of your country? Beyond these luxuries, you still receive a substantial salary, often double, triple, or even 18 times the average income of your citizens? Today, let's explore the salaries of the top 10 highest paid Caribbean leaders, contrasting their earnings with the average income of citizens in each respective country. We'll not only unveil the numerical figures, but also unravel the compelling narratives behind these political figures. From modest earnings to staggering paychecks, prepare for a voyage that will prompt you to ponder. Are they truly worth it? Or should their salaries be less? Stay tuned as we reveal the top 10 highest paid political figures in the Caribbean. In the global political arena, where decisions mold nations, leaders wield unparalleled power and responsibility. They grapple with monumental challenges, chart the course of their countries, and often find themselves in the midst of profound historical moments. The scrutiny, demands, and expectations that comes with such roles are immense. However, beyond the weight of their responsibilities lies a fascinating facet of worldly leadership: their salaries. The compensation of worldly leaders is a subject that not only raises questions and sparks debates, but also provides a unique insight into the priorities and values of nations worldwide. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the intriguing world of Caribbean leaders' salaries and present the 10 highest paid Caribbean leaders. Commencing our list at the number 10 spot is a newly elected Prime Minister, Terence Drew of St. Kitts and Nevis. A medical professional turned politician, he is the fourth Prime Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis, securing his position in August 2022. Despite not being a seasoned politician, Prime Minister Drew ascended to lead the St. Kitts and Nevis Labour Party in 2021, winning the subsequent election. His salary is relatively modest, especially when compared to other leaders later on this list. At 150,000 Eastern Caribbean dollars, equivalent to just 55,500 US dollars annually, the Prime Minister earns nearly 3 times the average salary in St. Kitts and Nevis, providing a useful metric as we proceed down our list. Moving forward, we encounter the Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda, Mr. Gaston Brown, claiming our number 9 spot. Prime Minister Brown has held this position since 2014, becoming a stalwart figure in Caribbean leadership. With an academic background in banking and finance, Brown entered politics through the Antigua and Barbuda Labour Party, rapidly ascending through party ranks. Brown's tenure as Prime Minister has been distinguished by a commitment to economic growth, social development, and international cooperation. Consequently, his current salary stands at 150,000 Eastern Caribbean dollars, equivalent to 55,500 US dollars, almost twice the average salary in the country. Continuing our exploration, we shift our focus to St. Vincent and the Grenadines, where Prime Minister Ralph Gonsalves secures the number 8 spot. Prime Minister Gonsalves has been at the helm since 2001, holding the position for 22 years, making him the longest continuously serving head of government since the country gained independence in 1979. Gonsalves' political journey began early, engaging in various political and legal roles before assuming the role of Prime Minister. With a doctorate in government from the University of the West Indies, his academic background has significantly shaped his political career. In terms of salary, his earnings are not too dissimilar from our number 10 spot, with an annual salary of 150,454 Eastern Caribbean dollars, or 55,724 US dollars. This amount surpasses 3 times the average salary in the country, which stands at 40,900 Eastern Caribbean dollars. Advancing further, at number 7, we come to the most notable leader in the region, leading one of the most recognized countries from the Caribbean, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. Hailing from Kingston, Holness has led Jamaica since 2016, previously serving as Prime Minister from October 2011 to January 2012, becoming the youngest person to ever hold the position in Jamaica's history at the age of 39. Elected as the Member of Parliament for West Central St. Andrew in 1997, Holness quickly ascended through various roles within the Jamaica Labour Party, ultimately leading the party to victory on multiple occasions. As for his salary, Prime Minister Holness should have been number 1 on this list, but he garnered positive attention last year by announcing that he would not be accepting a massive pay hike under the new compensation structure for the political directorate in 2023. Consequently, his compensation remains at 9.1 million Jamaican dollars, approximately 58,550 US dollars, or about 4 times the average salary in the country. If you are enjoying this enlightening journey into the world of politics and finance, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating insights and the stories from Jamaica and around the Caribbean. Your support helps us to bring you more content that you love. So if you're not already a part of the elite Jamaica community, click that subscribe button and join us as we continue to explore, learn, and share. And remember, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Our journey now takes us south to Trinidad and Tobago, where Prime Minister Keith Rowley secures the number 6 position. Rowley, a long-serving leader in the region since 2015, he boasts a background in geology and engineering, and his political career commenced when he was elected as the Member of Parliament for Diego Martin West. As Prime Minister, Rowley has prioritized economic development and energy sector reforms, given the sector's crucial role in the nation's economy. His salary represents the first significant leap on our list, amounting to 576,000 Trinidad dollars annually, approximately 85,655 US dollars, exceeding 5 times the average salary in the country. Moving to our number 5 spot, we introduce a more recent addition to the Caribbean leaders table. Elected in 2021 amidst the pandemic, the Prime Minister of the Bahamas, Philip Davis. A seasoned politician, Davis was initially elected as MP for Cat Island, Rum Cay, and San Salvador in 1992, progressing through various political roles to become Prime Minister. Prime Minister Davis is well compensated for his long and hard-fought path to the premiership, earning a salary of 86,000 Bahamian dollars, equivalent to 86,000 US dollars. This is just under twice the national average salary of $46,800, making Prime Minister Davis more fairly paid compared to our previous leader with a similar salary. As we break into the top half of our list, entering the number 4 position, we witness a notable increase in salaries. Can you guess who holds our number 4 spot? Well, it's Guyana. Under the leadership of the dynamic President Muhammad Ifran Ali, elected in 2021 amidst the pandemic, Ali, previously an MP and cabinet minister until 2015, led the People's Progressive Party to electoral victories in 2020. However, when it comes to the president's salary, it has garnered some criticism. In 2021, President Ali raised his salary by $150,000 to 20 million Guyanese dollars, equating to 98,300 US dollars. With an average salary of 4.2 million Guyanese dollars, this roughly translates to a salary 5 times that of the average person, or 20,000 US dollars. As we venture into the top 3 highest paid Caribbean leaders, will reach a milestone where their annual earnings exceed $100,000. So who secures our number 3 spot? It is none other than one of Time Magazine's 2022 most 100 influential persons in the world, Prime Minister Mia Amor Motley of Barbados. An attorney by profession, Prime Minister Motley has been a seasoned politician since her initial election in 1994, consistently serving her constituency. Elected as the leader of Barbados Labour Party in 2008, Motley achieved a landslide victory in 2018, becoming the first woman in Barbados to hold the position and the first Prime Minister under its Republican system post-constitutional independence in 2021. As for her finances, the Prime Minister's salary is set at $213,334 Barbados dollars, equating to $105,950 US. With the average Bayesian salary at $62,800 Barbados dollars, this means Prime Minister Motley earns almost 3.5 times the salary of the average person. Claiming our number 2 spot is another high earner from a perhaps unexpected country, the President of the Dominican Republic, Luis Abinadar. President Abinadar assumed office in August 2020, prior to which he served as the general manager of Grupo Abicor, his family's business consortium. In a public declaration of assets, he revealed a net worth of over $76 million US, possibly making him the richest Caribbean leader. Despite the decrease in his income from his business ventures, President Abinadar still commands a significant salary of $120,000 US. This is notably higher than the average salary in the Dominican Republic, which stands at $4,242 US annually. This immense difference places the president's earnings at over 26 times that of the average citizen. Finally, securing the top position at our number 1 spot is a country that might not be the first guess for high-salaried leaders: Suriname. The president of Suriname, Chan Santoki, claims the title of the highest salaried political leader. A former police officer turned politician, President Santoki's rise to the presidency followed a turbulent time in Suriname, culminating in the arrest of its former president and dictatorial leader, Desi Bouterse. In terms of salary, President Santoki earns a staggering $4,646,552 Surinamese dollars annually, equivalent to $133,560 US. Contrasted with the average salary in Suriname at just $7,051 US, this means the president makes an astonishing 18 times the average citizen's income, second only to the president of the Dominican Republic. The salaries of these political leaders exemplify a dynamic interplay of various factors, reflecting the values, priorities, and economic conditions of their respective nations. While these figures are intriguing for comparison, they also provide insights into societal expectations, political stability, and the cost of living in their countries. It's crucial to reflect on the broader implications of these figures. Beyond mere numbers, these salaries symbolize the trust, responsibility, and expectations placed upon these leaders by their citizens. Leadership, it reminds us, transcends mere power or prestige. It is about service, sacrifice, and a commitment to improving the lives of others. In the end, a leader's legacy is defined not by their salary, but by the impact they have on their nation and its people. So as we wrap up this intriguing exploration of Caribbean leaders' salaries, we hope it has piqued your interest and broadened your understanding. If you found this video enlightening and want more content like this, show your support. Hit the like button to let us know you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content. Share this video with friends and family to spread knowledge and keep the conversation going. And finally, turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Your engagement is our motivation. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, and staying notified for more exciting content. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Stay blessed.